first, put the chairs beside each other. This time, the black chair is on the left. Good, awesome. And then the second thing you need to do is put both yellow bears in the middle of the chairs. Well done, Finn. Good job.
Like that.
Yeah, it could be like that. And after this step, at the very end, the last thing is to put both blue bears on the other side of the black chair. Wow, Finn, you did it. Good job. You got the final picture. Well done. Hey, Finn, just tell me, just point to the picture. What did you do before this step? Which picture came before this step? Good. Awesome job, Finn. Another sequence done. Do you want to be the speaker now and give me a sequence of steps? Good. Okay, I'm listening.
First, put the chairs back to back.
Back to back. Okay, good words. The chairs are back to back. Okay, you want to put that card here? Nice, excellent.
On the other side. You put it those sides.
Switch it this way?
Yes.
Okay.
Then put all the big bells in front of the white chair.
All the big bears go in front of the white chair. Good words, Finn. Are they facing away from the chair or towards the chair?
Away.
Away. Nice.
All of them.
Excellent. Good. My second step. Now I need my...
It looks like a reindeer one.
Oh, they're
It's
just...
a reindeer one.
A reindeer one?
Yeah.
They look like little reindeers?
No, it's lined up like reindeer.
Oh, I see. Just kind of like zigzagged almost like this.
Yes.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. We don't need to worry about that too much. But we got the main information, right? That was all in front of the white chair, facing away. Perfect.
Last, put all the smaller bells in front of the big back chair.
Put all the small bears in front of the black chair. Are they also facing away?
Yep.
Good. Very nice. And are they also kind of like zigzagged a little bit?
Yep.
Very good, Finn. I'm excited. Yes, you told me everything.